Hello everyone, this is Ravi Kumar Sharma. I am student at UniKaksha. UniKaksha is an online platform which provides you to upgrade your skills. UniKaksha provides you the live classes with interactive class, no recorded section, so you can easily learn from the faculties directly. All the faculties are highly skilled in their platform. Faculties are always available for you if you have any doubt in the program or any query you have. They have always provided you with the solution anytime. They also give you the assignments so you can have your knowledge upgrade. You can do the assignment so you can upgrade your skills. UniKaksha also provide you the job guarantees. Why UniKaksha is different from other platforms? It's because UniKaksha provide you the live class with interactive section. Not all the your platform provide you that. UniKaksha is also give you all the assignments regarding the project or regarding your skills so that you can develop your skills. All the UniKaksha classes have less students so that faculty can individually focus on one person or one student so that you have the focus on your teachers so you can develop your skills. And I am very happy to join the UniKaksha because after coming in the UniKaksha I have gained lots of skills. I have improved myself. I have personality development. Also, I can interact with anyone. I also have a confidence now. I'm also become so good in the programming so that I can do any program right now.